Hello and welcome to the video. This is a video how to create your own custom model images. Now on radios that have these beautiful color screens, this is the Radio Master TX16S, but also things like the Jumper T16, Jumper T18, the FreeSky X10S, they're all very similar. You can choose your own image. Now this just happens to be one that I've made for my mini DRAC, but it can be anything you want. It could be a logo, and in this video I want to show you how to set all of those up. So here on the computer, you're going to need some kind of basic graphics editor. There's a free one called GIMP, unfortunate name, but actually a really nice little graphics package. I'll put a link down below if you want to download that. It's a free thing. I'm going to be using Corel PaintShop Pro. Now, take your SD card out your radio and plug it in, and this is what it'll look like. And you're going to look for the images directory. And in the images directory are the supplied images that you get on the SD card. And we can use these as the template, if you want to think of it like that, to make brand new images, as long as we've got a picture of our model on the computer somewhere. So there are lots of different formats that we can use, but the way that I do it is just to drag one of the images into your image editor and then save it with a different file name. If we do it that way, it should guarantee that it's going to work on the radio. So I've just dragged one of the images into my image editor, and I've just dragged on top of it the image of my mini DRAC. Now the image is way too big, so select the resize tool in whatever you're using and drag it around until it looks right. Just need a little bit more so we can see the wing. Move it up. That looks pretty good. Once you've got it looking how you want, then go into File and then Save As. Don't change the type of file it is, but give it another name. Make sure the name is less than 6 characters, and that way you won't fall foul of any weird OpenTX shenanigans. Once it's on the SD card, you'll be able to go back into that images directory and be able to see it listed, and then it's time to pop the SD card out of your computer, back into the radio, and then go and select that image from the list in the standard setup screens for the model, and there it is on your radio. It's that easy. Thank you for watching my video and watching right to the very end. If you want to find out what I'm currently working on, you can follow me on social media by searching for Painless360 in the usual places. If you'd like to become part of the inner circle, then you can become a Patreon. Details are in the description and you get lots of additional benefits. Check out the playlist section on the channel too. I organise all of my videos into playlists, and it's called something like Introduction to or for Beginners. All of the content is aimed so that you can start at the very beginning, and it teaches you that subject, starting with simple principles and moving up to teach you everything you need to know.